kick is deep into the hands of number 7, Zayden Morris. Morris breaking a few tackles, eventually brought down by the kick, number 31, Tertios. Number 24, Colin Sullivan, quickly introduced to the whole right side of that Skyhawk. And again, the Skyhawks defense quickly on the football. Pass was just... A lot of second effort out there by the Skyhawks ball carrier. Number 3, the player for the Skyhawks. Ball comes loose after a dandy run. Looks like it is recovered by the Powhatan Indians.
Get him.
Swing pass out to number 13 of the Indians. He's got first down yardage and eventually knocked out of bounds. Number 26 with a nice tackle out there for the Skyhawks, Chase Scott Banks. Number 13, Owens with the reception, not for the Indians. And looky here, Jacob introducing himself to the Powhatan quarterback. And Carson breaking. Carson still on his feet. Eventually tackled by number 3, Aiden Trimes of the Powhatan Indians. But what a dandy run back. Number 3, Cherry, the ball carrier, picking up some nice yardage there. Nice reception out there by number 11, Rashid Davis, to put the Skyhawks on the scoreboard first. Up and good by number 31, Fabian Tertios. Skyhawks 7, Indians 0. Dandy run back for number 18, Liam Dent. And a run by number 2, Chris Morelius of the Powhatan Indians. Little misdirection there by the Indians. Ball carrier was number 24, Colin Sullivan. Picks up about 1. Number 4, Nolan Blissick, the ball carrier, much to the surprise of the announcer. Quarterback tucks it in and takes it himself. He is met rather sternly by the Skyhawks. Ball goes to number 2, Cuthbertson. Picks up Cuthbertson again making a little something out of almost nothing. Picks up another yard, hard yard for the Skyhawks. Quarterback number 5 takes it himself. Looks like he's got first down yardage. A dandy run by number 5, Gabriel Anderson, quarterback of the Skyhawks. Number Cuthbertson, nice there for the Skyhawks. He is met by number 55. Again, it's Cuthbertson. Looks like he pushed it across the 40-yard line and close to first down yardage. Number 3, Cherry, out wide. Picks up some dandy yardage for the Skyhawks. Number 3, Aiden Trimes. Dandy run by number 2, Cuthbertson. And it's Cuthbertson up close to first down yardage. Number 2, Cuthbertson again. Right up the middle for 4 or 5 yards. By number 10, Jacob Butler with 6 for the Skyhawks. Couple of dandy touchdown passes out there by number 5. Extra point, up and good. Skyhawks now with 14. 0 for the Powhatan Indians. Good open field tackle made out there by number 12, Lamas Bay. Ball into the hands of number 20, Chase Brownson. Not a lot there, as he is quickly met by the right side of the Skyhawk defensive line. Swing pass out to number 13 of the Indians. He picks up several yards. Couple of plays. Dandy reception and run. Pass again over to number 4. Finally tackled by number 2, Cuthbertson of the Skyhawks. Ball goes sideways as number 45 of the Skyhawks. up by the Skyhawk defender. Ball goes out of bounds on about the 10-yard line. Looks like a student body right. Number 2, the ball carrier, nice yardage. Tackle on the field. Tackle was made in part. And it's number 3, Cherry, ball carrier for the Skyhawks, picks up several. Number 55. Again. And up first down yardage. Dandy run by number 3, Cherry. Little chicanery out there by the Skyhawks. Results in a first down. Tackle made out there by number 20, Brownson. Dandy tackle, number 55. Reach of number 2, Cuthbertson of the Skyhawks. Skyhawks will go into the locker room with a 14-0 lead over the Powhatan Indians. A lot of football left to play. Ball picked up by number 11 of the Skyhawks. He's got running room. And number 11, Rashid Davis, with a dandy return for the Skyhawks. Ball into the hands of Cuthbertson. And he picks up 4 or 5 here for the Skyhawks. Skyhawks ball carrier up close to first down yardage. He is tackled by number 3, Cherry with the carry. Again tackled. And it's number 2, Carson, taking the serpentine route. Number 2 on his feet. And number 77 eventually brings him down. Harry Adams. Taking it home for the Skyhawks. Another nice pass out there by Gabriel Anderson of the Skyhawks. Kick is up, and it is good. Skyhawks 21, Indians 0. And it's a deep kick into the hands of number 10. Indians with a quick pass to the side. Skyhawks immediately sniff that out. Indians again back to pass. Some incidental contact out there. Pass falls incomplete. Quarterback immediately met by a Skyhawks. They're down and 10 coming up. Skyhawks in on the sack of the quarterback for the Indians. By the Skyhawks. Number 2 in the area. Number 2 and Carson past the, I believe. Yes, indeed. Number 2, Cuthbertson stretching it outside. Number 2, Cuthbertson. Number 7, Morrison on the tackle for the Indians. Number 2, Cuthbertson still fighting for yardage for the Skyhawks. Cuthbertson, the ball carrier. Dandy run to the outside by the Skyhawks. There by number 18. Dandy run down inside the 5-yard line by the Skyhawks. Second and a long 2. And that looks like a touchdown for the Skyhawks. And it's number 3 with the touchdown for the Skyhawks. Number 18 inch with about a 15-yard run back. Heinke pulls the ball down and runs it himself. Picks up about 3 for the Powhatan Indians. Pass swung out to number 4. He's up down close to first down yardage, but I don't think he made it. Going to be close. Looks to be about a yard short. Cuthbertson again with another dandy run for the Skyhawks. Number 2, Cuthbertson picks up the first down, however, flag comes in. Cherry with a dandy run. Tackle was made by number 7, Zayden Morris of the first. Number 3, Cherry seat, eventually tackled out there by number 12, Luke Cheatham. but not before the Skyhawks. And she holds it down close to third. I think he's about 2 to 3 yards. And it's Lc Bird working the tush push there. Kick is up, and it is good. 5 points on the scoreboard for the Skyhawks. Ball carrier was number 20. Swing to the outside. Quickly enveloped by the Skyhawk defense. Ball is caught out there by number 6, Lily. Lily with a nice carrier quickly the Skyhawks. Looks like out there by number 19. And that'll come to the end of 7 o'clock in Powhatan. The varsity teams for the Skyhawks and the Indians meet. I'd like to remind